one of the examples I always say, I didn't make this up. I got it from somebody else, but it's like, man, if your car breaks down, um, and you just sit in it, you know, somebody might come and help you. Maybe they won't. Um, but if your car breaks down and you get out and you start pushing your car, you'd be surprised how quickly somebody come alongside and help you push your car, man. So I think just that, just be a student of what you do. A lot of this stuff, how I make up for whatever I feel like my deficiencies are, is like research, man. And it's like you holding all of the, I don't say all of the answers, but a lot of them in your back pocket or wherever you keep your smartphone at. So that's probably the best advice, man, I could really give.